Well, people, that's supposed to be a pasture out there, not a river. I just got off the phone with Dad, and according to his rain gauge, we got just a tad over 3 inches of rain in about 40 minutes. And I don't know whether y'all can tell in this video or not. You will here in just a moment. That's not standing water. That water is running. It's moving all across this pasture here. The creek is way over there. And yeah, a little over 3 inches of rain in about 40 minutes, and this is what happens. I'm actually standing in water right here. And my garden is underwater out here in places. It's not too bad. Someone's calling my name. I think it's my mom hollering for me. Let's see what she wants. But anyway, guys, right here is the result of a little over 3 inches of rain in 40 minutes. See ya.